Clapperboard Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. DDLJ. Full story explained.
Globe showing Europe-Africa beginning. Two different worlds. The story begins in London, where an Indian man named Baldev Singh lives with his family. Even after living in England for many years, he strongly believes in Indian traditions and culture. His biggest dream is to return to India and marry his elder daughter Simran to his childhood friend's son. Simran is a sweet, romantic girl who dreams of true love. She imagines meeting someone special someday but respects her father's strict rules. Train the Europe trip. Fate brings them together. Before her arranged marriage, Simran convinces her father to allow her to go on a Europe trip with her friends. During this trip, she meets Raj Malhotra, a fun-loving, careless, and charming young man played by Shah Rukh Khan. At first, Raj annoys Simran constantly. They argue and misunderstand each other. Simran thinks Raj is irresponsible. But during their journey across Europe, trains, cities, and adventures, friendship slowly turns into love. By the end of the trip, both realize they have fallen deeply in love. Broken heart separation. Love versus family. After returning to London, Simran discovers that her father has already decided her marriage in India. Her family immediately moves back to Punjab for the wedding preparations. Raj realizes he truly loves Simran and decides not to run away with her. Instead, he chooses to win her family's approval, showing respect for Indian values. Chief of Rice Punjab. The real challenge. Raj travels to Punjab and secretly enters Simran's village pretending to be a friend of the groom's family. Slowly, Raj wins everyone's hearts. He helps the family. He respects traditions. Even Simran's strict father begins to trust him without knowing the truth. However, Simran's fiancé becomes suspicious and eventually discovers Raj and Simran's love. Raj is beaten and insulted but refuses to elope because he wants Simran to leave with her father's blessing. Station. The iconic climax. The train scene. On Simran's wedding day, the truth comes out. Raj prepares to leave heartbroken and boards a moving train. Simran runs behind the train while her father holds her hand tightly. In the most iconic moment of Bollywood history, Baldev Singh finally realizes Raj truly loves his daughter and says, backhand index pointing right, Ja Simran, Ja. Ji lo apni zindagi. Go Simran, go live your life. He releases her hand. Simran runs and catches Raj's hand as the train moves, uniting love and family. Approval. Red heart ending message. The movie teaches true love respects family values. Love should unite families, not break them. Patience and respect can win hearts. White heavy checkmark. Fun fact: DDLJ became one of the longest-running films in cinema history and turned Shah Rukh Khan into the king of romance. Glowing star moral of Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. DDLJ. The main moral of the movie is backhand index pointing right. True love is not about running away, it is about respect, patience, and winning hearts the right way. Red heart key lessons. White heavy checkmark. Love should respect family values. Shah Rukh Khan does not force Simran to run away. He chooses to earn her family's approval. White heavy checkmark. Patience brings success. Instead of choosing an easy path, Raj waits and proves his sincerity. White heavy checkmark. Tradition and modern love can exist together. The movie shows that love and cultural values can go hand in hand. White heavy checkmark. True love requires responsibility. Real love means protecting the dignity and happiness of loved ones. White medium star. Simple moral in one line. Real love wins when it is supported by respect, honesty, and family blessings.